Assalamu alaikum, my bosom friend. Hope that you are well. I am also well. Now I want to share 3 ideas to you. If you follow this unique idea, you can speak in English without doubtly. I think that it's my idea. So first of all, unique idea is make a good partner. If you make a good partner, you can share with them thought, plan and pass good time. If you make a good partner, you can share with them how to speak in English. So it is a easy speaking English way you can share with your opinion to your friends. Second unique idea is practice and more practice. There is no way without practice. If you practice, you will shine how to speak in English. It's my second unique idea. And third unique idea is repeat and repeat. You can practice and repeat. You can easily say how to speak in English. You can follow me like as I want to go, ami jete chai, you want to go, tumi jete chao. He wants to go, she jete chai, she wants to go, she jete chai, they want to go, tara jete chai, it wants to go, iha jete chai. You can practice, you can follow and you can make a good friend so that you can raise your voice. So thanks a lot, my friends. You can support me. I will be a good speaker. So please, pardon me, help me so that I can raise my voice how to speak in English.